If you're new to baking sourdough bread, one thing that you definitely need is a sourdough starter. You can make one yourself, but in order to save a lot of time and effort, the best way to get a sourdough starter is to get one from a friend. I'm getting mine today from Angela. So Angela has agreed to share some of her starter with me. What she's gonna give me is sourdough discard. This is what would normally go in the trash, but she's gonna share it with me so that I can get my starter going. Angela, tell me a little bit about your start.
So this is my starter, Dolene. I've had her for just over 2.5 years, and she lives in my fridge. I love it, and I love sharing, so I'm so happy I get to share some with you. I have not fed her though in a few days, so you are gonna wanna make sure you feed her before you start your next recipe.
So Angela's gonna share her starter with me. We just need a couple easy kitchen tools, a skinny spatula and a small jar. It can be really any container that has a lid that you can take your starter home. I'll have all of this in the description below. So Angela, how much starter do I really need?
You really don't need very much. You can start with as little as 10 grams, but I really like to be generous and I give up to 50 grams when someone asks for some starter. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
It's really hard. And again, this is discard, like you said. I have my other starter in the fridge, so I'm not worried about you taking too much. Oh yeah, you can see how sticky it is. It definitely needs to be fed again. How does that look?
Looks great, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm gonna take this starter home, get it fed, and it'll be ready to make a leaven soon. And if you wanna learn how to make a leaven, check out this video and I'll see you over there.